Are we still going?
I think we were going.
We were.
Oh, well, hello.
Should we? Hello. We had something pop up on the screen that we weren't aware of. So
I've done the iOS 7 on this, and now it's all goofy. But okay, you all can't see any of that, but we promise you there was something on the screen. So anyway, but all right. Well, hello.
It's Mrs. Poole.
And Mrs. Weeks. And we are going to talk about prime and composite numbers. We talked a little bit about it today in class, but we're going to spend the whole week on it. And now that you've done factors, we think you're primed, no pun intended, and ready for this. So, all right, you ready to do some numbers?
Let's do some numbers. Let's
Okay.
look at the number. Should we look at the number 17?
17 sounds great to me.
17.
Okay, all right.
I'm wondering about 17.
I don't know. Here we go. I'm going to pick a color here. Again, you all can't see this. Okay, I like the number 17. So what do you know about the number 17?
Well, I know 17 is an odd number. That's one thing I know
Yes.
about it. But we're really talking about prime and composite numbers. So we're looking at the factors of 17, right?
Right.
And I know that 1 is a factor of 17
Right.
and 17 is a factor of 17.
Okay, so we're going to do this, and I'm going to put 17 down here just in case we have a whole bunch of other ones that go in
Just
between.
in case,
Yep.
because we like to make that so that we can squish them together, right?
Exactly. So now I know my smallest factor will be 1, my largest is 17. So I can't have anything bigger than 17 to multiply to make
Exactly.
17. Okay.
And I know because it's an odd number, it's not going to be divisible by 2.
No.
Can't do that.
Nope, so no 2.
And then I know that we talked about 3s and how we could add our digits together, and it could be a multiple of 3 or divisible by 3. And if I add 1 and 7 together,
That's 8.
that's 8. That's
yeah.
not going to work for 3s.
Well,
is
and
it?
even then, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, you just don't ever
Exactly.
even hit
You
it.
just
So
don't know.
awesome. Okay.
And I know also 4s would have to be an even number as
Oh,
well.
yeah.
Yep. And 5, I know that's going to be
5
ending
or
in
0,
0 or
yeah.
5. Yeah. So I guess 17 doesn't fit that. What do you know about 6?
Well, I'm thinking that doesn't really look like anything that 6 would go into. I know it's 6, then 12, then 18.
8.
So really, we don't even fit there,
Miss
do we?
Weeks,
So,
what else?
I don't know. Well, it has a 7 in it. Do you think 7
7.
goes into it?
Let's see. 7, 14, 21. Oh, that doesn't work either.
Nope. Okay.
Oh, 8.
8's going to work. I just
8.
know it. Well, but 8 times 2 is 16. So
Yeah.
another 8 will be 24. So nope, that doesn't work either. What do you
Miss
think?
Weeks, I 9.
Not a 9
no,
because
no.
3 didn't fit into. That's not going to
No.
work. So
And I know 10.
10 will
because
never
no.
work. No, 11 would have to be the same digit repeated. That's not going to work, right? So it's not 77 or anything. So
And 12. I mean, now we're getting up to 12. Well, if you double 12, it's already
Or
24.
24.
So we're really kind of past what we even need to be thinking about.
So
aren't
really,
we?
the only factors for 17 are 1 and 17, and that is it. Weird number, huh?
Weird number.
Weird number. Maybe we should try another number.
Okay.
So we just so we can compare something. So
I wonder if they're all like that.
I don't know. I hope they know it's not. They're not all. Okay.
24.
I like that number.
All right.
All right.
So again, I'm going to start with what I know for sure, the 1 and the 24. Put my bookends out there.
Yep. There you go.
we
We
got
know
our
the smallest
bookends.
and the largest.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I see that it's got a 4 in the ones place, so it's an even number, so I know it has to be divisible by 2.
And that's
And
2
2 and 12.
times 12. I'm going to try to get smaller here. Okay.
3. Oh, let's see. If I add 2 plus 4, that's giving me 6. So it is
we
divisible
know it's
by
divisible
3.
by 3. And if we know our facts, Miss Poole, which everybody should be working on,
Oh, yes.
3 times what equals 24?
3 times 8.
That's right. Yay. Okay, now we only have the numbers left between 3 and 8. So what about 4? Does 4 go into 24?
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24.
Yay!
6 times.
Goes 6 times. And really the only number left between 4 and 6 is 5. And we know there's no way that 5 is a factor of 24. So, wow, you know, these two numbers look totally different to me. And they look different to you?
They
I mean, look at
do.
all of these factors. And this one only has 2.
Only 2.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I think they have names for these kind of numbers, don't
They do. I think that a number that only has factors that are 1 and itself are called prime numbers. And ones that have all sorts, anything more than 1 and itself. So even like, give me a low number. 4. 4 is a composite number because it has 1 times 4, and then it has the 2 times 2, right? So it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to have a lot. It just has to have more than 1 in itself to make it a composite number. So these are composite numbers.
Oh, Miss Weeks, but I have a question.
Sure, I got an answer.
You got an answer? What about the number 1?
Oh, well, you know what? Why don't you, what are the factors of 1?
Well, 1 would be 1 times 1.
So the only factor that 1 has is 1. Does that fit the definition of a prime or composite number?
Oh, it doesn't. Because a prime number has to have 1 and itself or
right?
another number, right?
So 1's kind of a funny thing because it's not prime or composite. What about 2? Let's get sneaky.
Ooh,
what about
2?
2? Because 2 is an even number, and it does have 1 times 2, but is there anything else that multiplies together to make 2?
I can't think of anything.
I can't either. Do you know, special about 2, 2 is the only even number that is prime. Something sneaky there, huh? Ooh, sound effects. We need sound effects on this, I think. So,
we give our own.
Yes, we do. All right, guys, you got the idea. Prime, composite, come ready to work this week. You guys have a great one.